Well, I got it to show up, and we got color, and what I ended up having to do like twice is unplug this, plug it back in, and it's still no picture, and unplug it, plug it back in, and yeah, and yeah, here. So, oh, pretty easy to plug in a friggin' plug, you'd think. Thought I had it, but anyway. There's the, and this is composite with PlayStation 2, for the PlayStation 2 game. Well, so I'm gonna shut this off. Let's see what happens with a PS1 game. Alright, Final Fantasy VII back in. It's a good sign. Unsupported. Color. Unsupported. See if it comes up on the computer. I hear music. I see no video on the computer. We're on component. Let's try composite. Okay. And okay. And swap that yellow and red again. Hey, I got it on the computer now. In color. Just not on the TV. So, let's see what I got here. Right there, I got cables. So, I got some of these splitters. Female in here. It's a male on that side, but I got this little barrel. And we'll see what we can do. So, we're gonna go yellow from the PlayStation. Let's take that and we'll split it. No, wait. I will need this to go into this end. So I got the video. Let's do this.